Hi, how are you? Welcome to North Georgia Spine Center. Dr. Borja will be with you in just a few minutes.
Chiropractic care works with the body's natural, innate ability to heal itself. We are a multifaceted, multidisciplinary office. We offer chiropractic care, massage therapy, physical therapy, and physiotherapy, Asian-type healing, which involves acupuncture, acupressure, and cupping. We have a hearing aid center here, colonic hydrotherapy, and permanent hair removal. We have so many services. We consider ourselves a one-stop shop. So instead of a patient having to go to your chiropractor and then go to a different location for your massage therapy, and maybe even a third location for physiotherapy, you can come to this office and get everything in one place. One of the services we perform for our community at the North Georgia Spine Center is pre-employment drug testing. Just having a better range of motion of your spine and your skeletal system increases overall health.